Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Calendly for coaching calls. So the very first thing that you should do here is you have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. So you just open any of your web browser and using the search bar at the top, just type out calendly.com. Okay, so right here at the search bar, you just have to type out calendly.com and you'd be directed to the section. And if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up for one. Then after that, you'd be directed right here on your homepage, and then you'd be able to see here all of the events that you have created. Now just simply click on the add new event type option. So this one at the right side of your screen. So when you clicked on this option, you'd be able to see here now the different types of events that you can create. So we have one-on-one, group, collective, and round robin. We also have here one of meeting and then meeting pool. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use the one-on-one meeting. So when you clicked on it, the first thing that you should do here is to select the color of your event and then here the name of your event. So we are going to name this one as coaching calls. Okay, that's right. And then you have to select right here the duration. So for example, your service will last for 60 minutes. So it's up to you if how long do you want your service to last. And here for the locations, you can choose Zoom, phone call. You also have in person, but of course, we're not going to select that one. So here you just have to connect your Zoom meeting and then as well as your phone call. So you have to provide your phone details. And then here, if you wanted to click on all options, you have your Google Meet as well. And then after selecting your location, you just have to click on continue. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Now we are done with the event details and the host and invitees. Now let's go to the scheduling settings. So right here we have the date range. So invitees can schedule to this specific date. So if you want this to be indefinite into the future, so you can select this one as well. That's right. Now for the hours and calendar settings, so you can copy your hours and calendar settings from other events that you have created. And here for your available hours or the scheduling settings, so you can edit this one, and you have to make sure that all of the schedule that you're going to input here are all correct so that your customers will book on the right date. Okay, then after that you just have to click on save and continue. Okay, so after that you just have to close it. And then right here, you have your event limit. So we have a buffer time. So add a time before and after book Calendly events. And we have the minimum notice as well. The daily limit. So how many calls, coaching calls, do you want to receive per day? So for example, 5 would do. So you just have to type it right here 5. Then after that, you just have to click on save and close. So going back here to available hours, you just have to make sure that you have selected the correct time zone and then the available days of the week. Okay, and then click on save and close. Now that we are done with our scheduling settings, let's go to the booking page options. So right here we have our event link, our booking form as well. So name, email, and if you'd like to allow the invitees to add guests, so you can toggle the switch on for this one. And then here for the questions, you can add more questions if you want to. And for the confirmation page settings, so you can customize this one as well. And then just click on save and continue after that. Now you can share this link. So you can share this link to your email, or you can add times to email, or you can also add this to your website, or you just have to simply copy the link and you can use Messenger to send it to your customer. Now let us try to preview our booking form. So this is how it's going to look like. So they'll be able to see here now the available dates. If they click on that specific date, they can now click on the time that they want to book with you. And then they'll be able to provide here their details and click on the schedule event. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped to solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.